Creating a membership is again very simple, very easy. Once you're on the client information page, all you have to do is click on this new membership slash plans button. Once you click on this, you will see that you get redirected to a membership and retail sales page. Now, this is where we have different kind of memberships that you can create for your client, Joe Smith. One thing that you will notice is that as soon as I clicked on the new membership slash plans button, once I get redirected to this page, all of Joseph's information gets redirected automatically as well, along with his name, email address, phone number, the full company address. These are various kind of memberships that you can create. There's custom membership, preset membership, and then we have the retail section in here as well. So I'm gonna go through what these different kind of memberships are and how we can go ahead to create them in my next video.